Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll show you guys how to disable camera in iPhone. Now disabling camera in your iPhone will hide your camera altogether from your iPhone. So before jumping on to the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let us begin. Now to disable camera in iPhone, first go to the settings, and then in settings scroll down till you find the screen time. After going to screen time, scroll down till you find content and privacy restrictions. After opening it up, open up allowed apps and features. There you'll see the option of camera. Now toggle it off. After doing so, you won't be able to find your camera. It took some time, but as you can see, my camera option is gone now. Even if I try to find it, it's not there. So that is how you do it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.